श्राव्या चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Hare Krishna. Today our topic is Payavrata. As we discussed yesterday, that Bali Maharaj, he invaded the kingdom of heaven, Indra's planet, Indra's Adakapuri, and all the demigods, they just fled away incognito. So now their mother Aditi, is the wife of Kashyapa. Kashyapa Muni is having 17 wives. They are the daughters of Daksha, who is the son of Pracheta. Daksha originally was the son of Brahma, but later he left that body and became the son of Prachetas. They are in 10 in numbers. Anyway, when Kashyapa came, Kashyapa was in his ashram and Aditi is in her ashram. So when he came after many years, he was in trance of meditation, and when he came, he saw the ashram was no longer beautiful, and that too his wife was very morose. Everywhere in the ashram he saw signs of lamentation. All these things were not known to him. So he asked her, why some problem is there? Have you not observed the principles of religion, etc.? So Aditi said, the problem, that body is also the descendant of Ditis. Diti is also the son of the wife of Kashyapa. Diti's son Hiranyakashipu, from their family, this Hiranyakashipu, his son is Prahlad, Prahlad's son is Virochana, and Virochana's son is Bali. So they are also his descendants, Kashyapa's descendants. But anyway, Aditi was lamenting that his sons, they are away from this heavenly planet, they are living a very miserable life. So at first Kashyapa Muni advised him about Jnana Upadesh. He said, को देहो भौतिको अनात्मा को चात्मा प्रकृते पर कस्य के पति पुत्राद्या मोह एव ही कारण. We falsely identify ourselves with the body, just like Arjuna was doing in Bhagavad Gita. The Lord said in the beginning, Bhagavad Gita 2nd chapter, Asuchyan Sotostam Pragyavada Savasasi Gatasu Nagatasu Stananu Sotanti Pandita. You are talking like a very intelligent person, but those persons who are intelligent persons, they don't talk about this life, pranavayu, life air. So similarly, Kashyapa also is a very learned scholar, so he gave this knowledge. What is this body? This is material, and we are not material, we are spiritual. This particular knowledge is not even known to 99% persons. As in Bhagavad Gita, the Lord said, Manishyanam sahasresu kaschit jatati siddhaye. Out of thousands of people, very few people, they think that they are not this body. They are something beyond this body, so they try to get perfection in their life. But anyway, kasya ke pati putra adya. Who is your husband? Who is your sons? Moha eva hi karana. This is out of illusion only, you say, you think like that. Where all the spiritual souls, we are spirit souls, and all this knowledge when Kashyapa Muni gave to Aditi, Aditi was lamenting more and more. His lamentation did not was not satisfied. His lamentation was not ended. So Kashyapa said, okay, upatishtasva purusham bhagavantam janardanam sarvabhuta guhavasam vasudevam jagadgurum. Another solution. For each and every problem, the ultimate solution is to take shelter of the Lord. For each and every problem. This thing Kashyapa Muni says, Upadishtasya Purusha, you worship that Lord, Bhagavantam, he is Bhagavan, is full of 6 opulences, Janardhanam. He will eradicate your problem, Janardhanam. And Sarvabhuta Bhavasam, he is everywhere. In the heart, everybody, every living body, or everywhere is there. He is called Vasudevam. Vasudeva means he is beyond these material modes of nature. He is in Suddha Sattva. And he is Jagat Guru. He is the spiritual master of the entire universe. Krishna Bande Jagat Guru, it is said. So, Jagat Guru means he will do benefit for all the persons. He will not be partial to anybody. And here, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj says, and the word Jagat Guru is very important in this regard. Kashyap Muni did not falsely declare himself to be Jagat Guru, although he actually was Jagat Guru, because he advocated the cause of Vasudeva. So, Jagat Guru means one who teaches the instructions of Krishna as it is on behalf of Krishna, he is Jagat Guru. But anyway, he says Brahma is also Jagat Guru. But he says those who call me Jagat Guru, they are illusioned by the illusory potency of the Lord. Srimad Bhagavatam, 2nd canto, 5th chapter, he says, Namastasmai Bhagavate Vasudevadhimahi Janmaya Durjaya Man Vadanti Jagat Guru. People say me as Jagat Guru, but I am by illusioned by the illusory potency of the Lord. They think me as Jagat Guru. The Jagat Guru is the Lord Krishna. Anyway, Vishnu Chakravarti says that this verse is very important. He says, Upadishta Purusha. Purusha means actually the Lord is the husband of all. Sukadeva Goswami says in one of his Mangalacharana invocations, Sriyapati, Jagatpati, Prajapati, Dhyapati, Lokapati, Dharapati, Pati, Patistan, Dhakabrishni, Sattvatang, Prasidatang, Me Bhagavan Satang Pati. He is the husband of all. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 2nd canto, 4th chapter. So, he is actually husband. I am not the husband. His meaning is like that. And he is Bhagavantam. He knows everything, Bhagavantam. And he is Janardhanam. That means he will eradicate your problem, and he will also give a problem to your enemies, give pain to the enemies. That is Janardhanam. There are 2 meanings. And Vasudeva means Suddha Sattva and Jagat Guru. He will give benefit to you, me, Bali, Indra, and the entire world by making the Ganga appear. So it is a prediction that Ganga will come. Up to that time, Ganga did not come to this world, to this earth planet. Even it did not come to this material world and to this universe. Only when Lord Vaman came, then only this Ganga, this is the spiritual water from the spiritual world, that is called Causal Ocean, and that will come. That we will describe that. So in this way, so Aditi wanted to know what is the process. What is the process of this? It is called Payavrata. So from 29 to 37, these 9 verses, these Payavrata mantras were described. Namatubhyam Bhagavate Purushaya Mayase Sarvabhuta Nivasaya Vasudeva Sakhini. Like that. It will be done in the month of Margasira, and the process was described by Kashyap Muni. And in this way, while chanting the mantra, this kheera, this milk will be offered to the Lord. And Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, this mantra will also be uttered. In this way, in the end, Kashyap Muni says, Taeva Niyama Sakshat, Taeva Cha Jamattama, Tapodanam Vratam Jagyam, Jena Tusyati Adukhyaya. Taeva Niyama Sakshat, whatever niyama it may be, whatever rules and regulations are there, it is only to please the Lord. Taevacha jamattama tapodanam vratam jagya. Whatever austerity, whatever charity, whatever vrata, whatever jagya, 5 sacrifice, whatever you do, its main intention is to satisfy the Lord. Tushyati adhokshaja. Tushyati adhokshaja. There are so many verses in Vedic literature, and one mantra is the king of all the mantras that is described in Padma Purana. स्मर्तव्यं सततं विष्णु विस्मर्तव्य न जातुचित सर्वे विधि निषेधास्युर एतो एव किंकर. Always remember Vishnu and don't forget him. And all the rules and regulations, do's and don'ts are only the servant of this main mantra. Always remember the Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, and don't forget. Okay, thank you very much.